Right guys, welcome back to the channel again today. Today's going to be an interesting one. We've got Zafira GSI in here. And I've got my lovely little helper Lily.
Hello.
Say hello Lily. Right.
Hi.
By the way guys, I would like you all to comment to Lily. It's her birthday next week. And how old are you?
11.
11 years old. And she's going to be doing... What are you going to be doing today, Lily?
So I'm going to be changing the thermostat. So first I have to take the air filter out.
Okay.
And I need to undo the bolt here.
Okay, no, lovely. Okay, well what I'm going to do, I'm going to crack on. I've got other little bits of work to do, so I'm going to leave Lily to crack on and start taking the thermostat out. So right guys, I'll be back in a minute. I'm just going to go and do a few other little things, and I'm going to show you an engine I'm going to be doing next week. But meanwhile, I'll leave Lily to actually start stripping off the thermostat for us. Now, the engine I was going to show you is out of an Astra J VxR. It's the A20 NFT engine. So basically this is the one what we're going to be doing next week. One out, one in. So right guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go back and see Lily and see how she's progressing with the thermostat. So right, let's see what she's up to. Right, how you doing Lily?
Good.
Oh, you've removed that? Okay.
Yeah.
Wicked. Okay, and what you got to do now?
So I'm going to put the cover on there.
Oh right, okay. Well done.
And then next I need to remove this pipe here.
Okay.
And this hose.
Okay, all right then. So I'm going to leave you to crack on with that then.
Yeah.
And like again guys, I've got other things to do. I've got to go and put my truck on charge basically because the battery's gone flat. So right, we're going to leave Lily alone and go and crack on. So I'm going to leave you with that Lily. All right, see you in a minute. So right guys, yeah, just going over to the van. Now, the lovely Dave, he's helped me. He's over there somewhere. He's helped me charge the battery. So obviously the battery's all charged in my car, van. Just going to shut the door. I've got to wrap up the extension lead in a minute. But I'm going to get this on the channel soon, guys. Show you the truck. Right guys, now we're going to go over and see Lily and just see how she's getting on basically with the GSI doing the thermostat. So right guys, how you getting on Lil?
Good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, well done. Well done. What are you doing now?
So I'm going to remove this bolt here and one under there.
Okay, and that holds the thermostat on, does it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, now do you feel about this job so far, alright?
Good.
You're doing alright, aren't ya?
Yeah.
Bless ya. Right guys, so as you can see, my lovely helper, Lily's doing really well. And there's her sister, what's your name again?
Darcy.
Oh, Darcy. Say hello to Darcy. And that's Zafira mummy.
Hiya.
And
Mia.
Mia. Hey, say hello. Right guys, so right, I'm going to crack on. As I say, I've got loads of bits to do. You got Richard over here playing about with the VxR. Another one as well, we got Richard's VxR out here, Zafira. We're going to do an engine clean on it as well. So right guys, I'm going to be back in a minute. We're going to get this one in, start doing the engine clean as well. So I think the little helper, say hello. She's going to be actually doing the steam cleaning of the engine for Richard's car. We're going to go over and see how Lily's doing with the thermostat, see how she's cracking on. So how are you getting on, Lily?
Good.
Oh wow. Oh look at that, you removed it already.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, and what you got to do now? Shall I take that off here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I need to clean the front edge of the engine with cleaner.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna get the new thermostat and bolt it up.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
you should never use silicone
Yeah.
with the new thermostat.
Oh, really? Okay, that's handy to know. See, guys, there you go. Learn something every day, because the one that Lily has taken off has got silicone around it. I don't know if you probably can't see it too well, but yeah, it's got silicone on it, and that's definitely a no-no, especially when you've got new gaskets and that. I'm going to give this to Lily to start putting on. There you go, Lily. Obviously the bolts are up there, as you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. So right, Lily, I'm going to let you crack on. I'm going to go and move this one out of the way and start getting Richard's VxR in. So Darcy can start doing the engine cleaning on it. Yeah. Okay. Right. So right, guys, catch you in a minute. Right, how are you getting on, Missy?
I'm good. So I've fitted the thermostat in.
Yeah.
I've done put all the pipes in, and now I need to undo the cap, put antifreeze and coolant in.
Antifreeze and coolant in.
Yeah.
And that's the antifreeze in there, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Right, I'm going to leave little un with that, because I can hear the other little un doing the steam cleaning. So let's see how she's getting on. How you doing on, little un? Oh, wow. You started doing the steam cleaning?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. What are you doing?
I'm doing steam cleaning my dad's engine.
Steam cleaning Dad's engine. Oh, wow. Well, as you can see, guys, seeing how dirty it is. And as you can see, all the dirt and that in there. The famous bottle down the back. You probably can't see it, but... Right, guys, so I'm going to leave Missy with Daddy's car to do the engine, as you can see. And as you say, I've got a few things to do. I'm going to be hoovering out my Ellie's car. So, right, guys, I'm going to crack on. I've got the hoover here. So, as you can see, so I'm just going to crack on and start doing the hoovering out. So, right, we're going to come over and see what little un's doing. So, we'll see how well she's doing. Oh, wow. Okay. What have you been doing? You've been doing the steam cleaning, ain't ya? Yeah, and now you're blowing the water off, ain't ya? Yeah. Shall we show the viewers what you've done? Oh, wow, that's a big improvement. Oh, wow, you've done a really good job there, haven't ya? That's all nice and clean. Wow. Nice clean bottle there, clean terminals. Well, that's a really good job you've done there. Look at that.
Well done, Bats.
Yeah, well done. You're a good little worker. I'm getting the best of both worlds here, guys. I've got one little helper doing one job, doing this job, and helping Daddy. Now, we're going to go over and see how our other little helper's doing. So, oh wow, how you doing, little un?
Good. So
Yeah.
I put all the coolant in.
Okay.
Now I need to fit the air filter back in.
Okay.
And then I'm going to bleed it out.
Oh wow. Right. Okay. And where's the filter there? There. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, well done. Right, guys. Well, as you can see, everything's all taken care of. I'm not actually needed today, so I'm going to let little un carry on and do what she's doing. And yeah, hopefully this one should be all sorted out. So right, I'm going to crack on and do a bit more, and we'll be back in a minute, guys. That is it for today. Nice little turnout. Remember, little thing, work smart, not hard. Get your little workers to help you. Right, big thank you to Lily. And don't forget, guys, in the comments, say happy birthday to Lily for her 11th birthday. And Darcy, big thank you, girl, for helping Daddy clean his engine bay. And that, yeah, welcome, thank you. And Mum as well, thank you for, yeah, being there. So, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. And a big thank you to Richard as well, guys. Nah, thank you, mate. But yeah guys, as I say, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment in for this one, because I think the little helpers, they done really well. It just shows what they can do when given the right advice and a bit of help. So right guys, once again, catch you on the next one. See you all soon. Cheers guys.
Bye.
Bye.